This is the new truck. I don't think you've seen the new truck. It's a Ford F-450. Well, we didn't start recording the way we wanted to earlier this morning.
Guess what we're doing again? Hooking up.
Hitching up. We love to start our videos off with the easy, lovely process of actually hitching up. Not so easy and lovely. So we are on our way this weekend to the Texas Renaissance Festival. We have had our RV parked for some time now. We'll get to that more later. I wish we would have started recording early this morning so you could have seen the process of us getting ready for this trip, but we'll take you on it now. There's Nicky boy, big smile. How old are you now, Nick?
8 years old.
8 years old. And why do you think that we stopped camping full time?
Because we had to go to school and all that for like soccer practice, piano practice and all that.
Yeah. So we stopped full timing. How long ago would you say? What grade are you in now?
I am in 3rd grade.
You just started 3rd grade, and so we stopped full timing 2 years ago because when we stopped, you started the 1st grade, right, in school. All right, we are all loaded up, ready to head out to the Texas Renaissance Festival. We've been going, this is our 3rd year going. We camp with a bunch of family members in their RVs and some camp in tents, and so it is a crazy fun time. We are about to head out. It's in Todd Mission, which is right, I think, northwest of Houston. It's normally a 4-hour drive, but since we are pulling this big old RV behind us, we're probably looking at more of a 6-hour drive. Hoping everything is good and we don't have any flat tires or any issues on the way. But we were about to head out and we realized, okay, we loaded everything up. Kids are, Nikki says hi. Kids are loaded up. And look how big he is. Remember when he was in a little car seat? Look at Ivy. Look at that. Look at how big these kids are. Anyway, we're about to roll on out. We're like, okay, do we know where we're going? And we just realized our tickets to the festival and our parking pass is still inside the house. So thankfully we did not leave, but Caesar ran in to get our tickets. All right, so do we have everything, honey?
That would have been detrimental. That would have been horrible.
It would have been horrible. That's our parking pass to camp all weekend. It's our tickets into the festival tomorrow that we bought months in advance. I mean, that would have been bad. So today, or this weekend, is actually what kind of weekend? Is
Oktoberfest.
Oktoberfest.
Oh, and let me get the
what else did you
the
forget?
picture thing that I bought.
Oh,
The
where is it?
background. It's under my mattress.
Oh my goodness. Okay. It is Oktoberfest and is actually opening weekend of the festival.
Proceed to the route.
All right, we made a stop at Buc-ee's to get some gas, go to the restroom, and we are back on the road. I think we have 2 more hours until we get to our destination.
Which is
Todd Mission, Texas, for the opening
TRF.
weekend of Texas Renaissance Festival. Right, is that what it's called? Texas
Yep, TRF.
Renaissance Festival. It's the best place. Why?
Because you get to dress up and see a lot of people's costumes.
Yeah. We are just outside of Houston, Texas.
This is war.
Take a slight right turn onto FM 102, then turn left.
Damn it.
Dang it!
I'm recording.
Are you sure? Yes. You don't want to switch hands again? Okay, then fight.
Come on, Nick.
Ow!
There's no Alan sword fighting. Keep the legs! Poke her in the belly. That was a quick recovery. All right, stop. If you would, please come over this way. And bring your swords to me. Take a step inside of our shop. Take a look around.
And just like that, we are done.
I did it. Follow our videos on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Lights, camper, action!